Hello and welcome back to our channel. Now this video upload is happening after a long time because of a mishappening, but we will be talking about today, which is the topic for today is prepositions. Now what is prepositions? एक short crisp definition दे देता हूँ. Preposition is a word that is used before a noun or a pronoun. अब ये preposition होते क्या है? It is a word that defines days, dates और time. इन तीन चीजों को डिफाइन करने वाला वर्ड जो नाउन या प्रोनाउन के पहले यूज होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड अ preposition. नाउ टुडे वी विल ओनली बी फोकसिंग अपॉन prepositions of time. Time related prepositions के बारे में बात करेंगे. There are three in number which are on, at and in. अब इन तीनों की अलग अलग कंडीशंस होती हैं. कहाँ पे on यूज होगा, कहाँ at यूज होगा और कहाँ पे in यूज होगा. On is always used when we are talking about particular days or particular dates. एट यूज होता है जब हम एक स्पेसिफिक क्लॉक टाइम के बारे में बात करते हैं या फिर एक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के बारे में बात करते हैं. लाइक सनराइज, सनसेट, दैट इज अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. इन यूज होता है जब हम बात करते हैं ईयर्स, मंथ्स या सीजन्स के बारे में. ईयर्स एंड मंथ्स इज वेरी सिंपल टू अंडरस्टैंड. सीजन्स आर समर, विंटर, स्प्रिंग. सो दीज आर सीजन्स. अब 10 एग्जाम्पल्स हम यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे. आई विल बी फिलिंग इन द prepositions. पहला वाला मैंने फिल कर रखा है एंड आई विल बी फिलिंग इन all the remaining 9 as well और समझाऊंगा why we are using on, at or in. Number 1 is 2025. Blank 2025. Now the preposition used here will be in. Why in? Because if you look at the description in 2025, 2025 is a year, so we will be using in 2025. And similarly, second वाले में भी in आएगा. Why? In December, because December is again a month, so we'll be using in December. Number 3 is blank 4th of March. यहां पे हम यूज करेंगे on the 4th of March. Why? Because 4th of March is a specific date. So जब एक specific date यूज होती है वहां पे हम on यूज करते हैं. Number 4 is in summer of 2010. Why in summer of 2010? Because as I told you in the beginning, summer is a season. जहां पे season यूज होगा वहां पे in यूज होगा. So in summer of 2010. Number 5 is on the 1st of January. Why on the 1st of January? Because 1st of January is a specific date. So we will be using on 1st of January. Now we come to at blank 9 p.m. At 9 p.m. Why? Because we are using a clock time here. एक specific clock time जब भी यूज होगा 9, 10, 11, 12, any clock time which is specifically mentioned in a sentence, वहां पे हम the preposition that we will be using to define that time will be at. Now number 7, blank sunrise. Now there the preposition used will be at sunrise. Why at sunrise? Because this is a period of time. Again, as I said, sunrise, sunset, moonrise, moonset, these are periods of time. So जहां भी एक period of time define होगा sentence में, the preposition that will be used will be at. Number 8, at 6 o'clock. Once again, जैसे कि यहाँ पे था at 9 p.m. Now it's at 6 o'clock. This is a specific clock time. So at 6 o'clock. Blank New Year's. Now here the one that will be using the preposition will be on. On New Year's. Why? Because this is a particular date. What is New Year's? New Year's is 31st of December. So we will be using on New Year's. Sorry, I missed out on one, which is Friday. On Friday, because Friday again is a day. अब अगर हम एक स्पेसिफिक डे के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, अ डे ऑफ अ वीक, सो अगेन द preposition यूज विल बी ऑन. एंड सो दीज आर द 10 एग्जांपल्स जिनको हमने आज कवर करा. prepositions of time is very important because when you speak to someone again in English, you need to take care of all the parts of speech, and preposition is a very important part of speech. So just keep in mind कहाँ पे on, at और in यूज करना है. I'm stepping aside, take a screenshot. Why you need a screenshot is because ये conditions आपको पता होनी चाहिए. And once you are thorough with these conditions, you will know where to use on, where to use at, and where to use in. Just stepping aside for a few seconds. So I hope you've taken the screenshot and I hope you liked the video. This video is of great help because prepositions, again, as I said earlier, is a part of speech. Apply these in your day-to-day conversation and your English conversation will improve. Thank you so much.